Uh-huh. So see, entries, hives, right? And then you have the origin. Okay? And then you bring the fire in here.
And so I can use red also. First I will do with orange.
No, that'll be too many colors. Stick to orange. बेटा तुम्हारा फाइल है, फाइल लेना चाहिए।
लैपटॉप इसमें
हाँ, put out your shoe design. These shoes are coming from here. This is Neha's. On top of that. Pallavi, you can come in the picture if you want.
tomorrow I come now with my shoes.
But it may not be part of the same.
उससे एक्सक्लूसिव हो जाएगी ना? एक्सक्लूसिव हो जाएगी। So we started with the first idea generation technique, which was the mind mapping. In this we were given specific words, and our peer group also added with that words. And after when the mind mapping was done, then we were given the USP through which we had to design the shoes. And then we started with the doodlings, USP was given to each one of us, and then we doodled it, and after that we delivered it on our shoes. After we were done with the paperwork, we started on the shoes, and this is what we ended up.
Over here we used another idea generation technique to create a story out of a particular set of art movements that were given to us. The art movements were op art, psychedelic art, surrealism and bohos. So using that, we had to research about those artworks, and then we had to collect a particular amount of images. Out of those images, we had to create a complete story which we will be using on to paint on a fan. So I have written a story. It's called The Curse of Kira. Once upon a time, in a little town named Azuri, lived a young boy named Light Yagami. He was a very shy boy who loved music. He had a passion to play the guitar. He played so good that it would bring a revolution to the music industry. But the problem with him was that the sounds he had in mind, he could never translate them through his guitar. This made him a very average player, so no one paid much attention to him, called him useless, worthless. Not only society but his parents also condemned him. So he fell into depression and ran away from home into the woods. He left everything behind, even his guitar. For days and weeks he survived over there. After a year in the wild, he had forgotten what Light Yagami really wanted. But one day he saw something that completely changed him. As usual, he was searching for food in the woods, but this time he stumbled upon a tree. This tree was no ordinary tree, but its branches were long and they were bleeding. Instead of leaves, it had a huge fire on it, and the trunk had a figure engraved on it. As soon as Light touched the figure, a 10-headed demon summoned itself in front of him. It took Light into a trance and showed him a guitarist who had created music like no one had ever had. The demon said to him, "This was your future." Light was petrified and astonished after what he had seen. He said, "How could that be me? I mean, how could it be me? You can have that all, but only if you make a deal with me," said the demon. The deal was that the demon would give Light the world's best guitar, a guitar called Kira. This guitar would make him a legend. But in 10 years, the demon would come back and fight Light in a battle to take the guitar back. But if he loses, he would lose his soul too. And if Light would win, then he could keep the guitar and live on. Light took this deal. As soon as he played the guitar, all the sounds he had in his mind started to flow so easily. He played such epic tunes, he became a master of the guitar. Light returned to his town and started performing in shows. Word about his music spread like wildfire. And then he soon formed a band. His music created a new genre called hard rock or death metal. People went crazy for his tunes. He became the best musician of all time. So much fame and stardom he got. Finally the day came, 10 years had passed. Light was ready to face the demon head on. The demon took him back to the tree and they both began to play such epic tunes from the guitars. Each note hit each other like a bullet. The battle went on for hours. Finally Light played such an epic tune that it tore the demon into pieces, and Light kept his guitar and lived happily ever after showering his epic tunes upon the world till eternity.
The USP for my shoes is comics and music. So first I created these doodles. Then I created this music, love music. I've used wings to do a comic theme. This superhero look and all this look, and I've created these doodles. So basically I've got this.